Are you looking for the best foldable bike locks? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best foldable bike locks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. ROCKBROS Bike Foldable Lock. The ROCKBROS Bike Foldable Lock is a portable and anti-theft security solution designed for cyclists. Featuring a 120 cm lengthened chain made from durable materials, this foldable lock offers strong protection for your MTB or road bike. Its compact and foldable design makes it easy to carry on rides, ensuring your bike stays secure without adding bulk. Ideal for everyday use, it combines convenience with robust security for peace of mind wherever you go. Number 2. West Biking Foldable Bicycle Lock. The ROCKBROS Foldable Bike Lock and the West Biking Foldable Bicycle Lock are both portable, durable, and designed to provide strong anti-theft protection for cyclists. The ROCKBROS lock features a 120 cm length, made from high-strength materials that resist cutting and tampering, and includes a convenient foldable design with a mounting bracket for easy storage on your bike. Similarly, the West Biking lock is constructed from specially hardened steel for excellent resistance against cutting, prying, and freezing, making it highly secure. It also offers a foldable design and mounting bracket, suitable for various types of bikes including mountain, road, and electric bikes. Both locks prioritize portability and robust security, with the choice between them depending on preferences for length and material toughness. Number 3. Etook Bicycle Folding Lock. The Etook ET590 folding lock is a heavy-duty, 1.1 meter steel lock designed for bicycles, e-bikes, scooters, and motorcycles, providing robust anti-theft protection. Built with patented anti-tamper rivets and special hardened steel, it offers strong resistance against common attacks such as crowbar, hammer, chisel, and bolt cutters. The lock features a fully enclosed lock head for added security and weather resistance. It also incorporates Swiss Advanced Pick-Proof lock cylinder technology, making the key extremely difficult to copy or pick. Lightweight and user-friendly, the lock comes with a patented bracket and screws for easy mounting, silent operation to reduce rattle, and a unique side-pulling design for convenient handling. This lock is ideal for outdoor and urban cycling security. Number 4. ULAC Folding Bicycle Lock. The ULAC folding combination lock features a 70 cm arm length and is made primarily from steel with a nylon coating for durability and flexibility. Weighing just 300 g, this lightweight cable lock uses a 4-digit resettable combination, eliminating the need for keys. The 4 mm steel blade provides solid security for your bike or other valuables, making it a practical and convenient choice for everyday use. Number 5. Portable Bike Chain Lock. The Ride Race Folding Lock is a lightweight yet highly durable security solution designed for bicycles, electric scooters, mountain bikes, and road bikes. Made from hardened alloy steel and ABS, it offers strong protection against theft, with a unique, innovative connection method that ensures a tight and sturdy locking mechanism resistant to cutting tools. Weighing approximately 565 g, it is portable and easy to carry, available in red or green colors. This versatile lock combines solid construction with convenience, making it ideal for a wide range of cycling and scooter security needs.